Hi my beauties, my name is Jan Benham from Purèz Cosmetics and the Aroma Shop, and today I'm talking about our new packaging for our foundations. So in the past our foundations came in this size, but now they are coming in a much larger container, as you can see. Now these mineral foundations, they're exactly the same size inside, so they're both 7 grams. It's just the container is larger. And the reason why I'm changed is these are all very good, and I'm still using these for our primers and veils and correctors, etc. But it's much more, we do a lot of refills now, and it makes it so much easier to fill the larger container than it is to fill the smaller container. Also, this has a beautiful vintage look, as you can see. It comes with a puff, which is another way of applying a foundation. You can still use your brush. And we have 2 different openings. This is the normal one for Purèz. And then we also have another opening, which it has the same thing, but it has another cap on, which is good for traveling. So this, for example, is a little lid here you can open and close, and great if you wish to apply and use it like that. I personally prefer this method because I don't want to keep having to open up. So if you do get one with this, you can actually just rip it off if you want to, or you can keep it if you're planning to use it for traveling. So it's very nice, easy for refilling. As I said, we have the refills, and also very nice looking. It has a lovely, let me see what I've got here. Yeah. So this mesh thing is a beautiful, it's a nice, beautiful cottony mesh, which I love. I much prefer that than this. So the product comes through really nicely on there. So this is our new size, vintage style containers for our mineral foundations.